bite the couch. Look, he bites the floor. How he thinks he's gonna bite a wooden floor, I have no idea. Yeah, exercise, baby, exercise. Yay, Mia. Exercise. Go ahead, Mia. She's trying to keep him away. Look, get away. Did you see that? Get away. Get away. Look at the tongue. Get away. Do your exercise, Mia. Oh, she's just stopping. Look, look. No, don't let him bite her. He's trying to bite her. Max, he had her shirt in his mouth. Look, don't let him bite him.
Hello, Munchkin Man.
He's trying to bite him. Look, Max.
She'll fight back.
Not true. This is all true.